Here is the 2018 Honda CR-V EXL. Comes equipped with LED daytime running lights. You'll have memory settings for the power seats, which also have lumbar support. Steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, part of the Honda Sensing suite. Dual climate control, Econ mode, electronic parking brake and brake hold. Also have power ports and USB ports in this vehicle. A mirror and the sunglass holder. Moonroof. All-weather floor mats. More power ports. Capless fuel filler. And a power lift gate. The backup camera. And push button close. This is the 2018 Honda CR-V EXL.